Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now, I was just thinking the other day that morel mushroom season is actually coming up pretty quick here in about 2 months, just a little less than 2 months. And then I thought, since I've grown morels in my yard, I forgot that I dehydrated some of these guys last year and I haven't rehydrated them yet. So I've grown them in my yard. I got enough last year that I actually dehydrated them. Let's take a look here real quick. Look at that. Dehydrated morel mushrooms. So, now that I thought about them, let's rehydrate these and cook them up. So I'll show you how to rehydrate and cook up morel mushrooms. And as I mentioned, I grew these morels in my yard last year. If you want to know how to grow them in your yard, check out some of my other videos on how to grow morel mushrooms. So to cook these things, we're going to need 3 things. We're going to need some butter. I use Kerrygold pure Irish butter. I really like it. Some Drake's crispy fry mix. And of course you're going to need morel mushrooms. These are dehydrated. Get a look at these. We're going to rehydrate these. And in just a minute we're going to get some water on them. So let's check that out. And of course, a frying pan. Okay, so let's get some water on these to rehydrate them. This is filtered water. I have city water, so I try to always get the chlorine out. Basically, we're just going to put in enough water so that we can coat these. And we're going to let them set for about 15-20 minutes, maybe 30, depends on really how they rehydrate. I've never rehydrated these before, so let's see how soft we can get them. Okay, these have been rehydrating for about 20 minutes. I got my butter melted in my pan. I have Drake's crispy fry mix on a plate. We're just going to take these out of here and dunk them in the fry mix, but look at these. Actually, they rehydrated pretty well. So basically what I do, take them right out of the water, dunk them in here, just get a decent coat on, put them right in my pan. Okay, now that we got them all in the pan, we're gonna get the pan back on the heat. This right here, these are, look at all those mushroom seeds. Actually, mushroom don't have seeds, I'm just kidding. But those are mushroom spores. I don't know if dehydrating kills the spores or not, but I'm not willing to waste them. So again, if you've seen my videos, we use these to try and grow more mushrooms. But for now, let's get these on the heat. Okay, they've been on about 3-4 minutes here, so we're just gonna start getting them flipped. I usually flip them twice. They're starting to look and smell delicious. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. We're going to flip them over one last time. Alright, so these about ready to get right onto a plate. Alright, so we're just going to spread these out here. Alright, so check these out. We got them on the plate here. They've been cooling just for a minute or so. And we all know there's only one thing left to do. That's taste them. Let me get one here. Okay, so as always, it's time to taste. Look at that tasty morel mushroom. So, let's give it a shot. Wow. Well, that tastes pretty good. I definitely miss morel mushroom time of year, so I'm looking forward to it in a month or two here. So those are pretty good. Not quite as good as fresh, although I don't know what is. But overall, I'd give them a passing grade. They're pretty tasty. Definitely looking forward to morel mushroom season. If you want to learn how to grow them in your yard, I'm going to make some slurry out of this leftover water. Check out my slurry videos. And as always, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.